Oh, there's one. And another right beside it. Drive through any Halton neighborhood and you're sure to see a for sale sign or two on the lawn, as the COVID-19 pandemic has definitely caused people to rethink how and where they're living. But with the increased inventory on the market, does that mean the so-called real estate bubble is finally about to pop? Well, for the answer to this and all things real estate, I got the chance to chat with the CEO of the Ontario Real Estate Association, Tim Hudak. Hey there, Tim.
Jason, great to see you again. Very excited about what you're doing there in Halton. I really appreciate you having us on today.
Well, listen, I was just driving through Halton and I was going through Oakville and I noticed a ton of houses on the market, or at least what I thought was a ton. Am I right to think there's more on the market this year than in previous years?
A couple things. You're seeing across the province of Ontario a significant increase in demand for homes. But I think Oakville, Milton, Halton Hills, the whole region is very well placed because as a result of COVID, people are looking for larger spaces. All of that, I think, bodes very well for Halton community.
So if that's the case, if so many people are looking for that, then why am I noticing so many houses in Halton on the market?
Well, three things I'll tell you. Number one, it is human nature when you see that your neighbor sold their house for a pretty good value and you say to your spouse, honey, maybe it's time that we sold and moved to a smaller town or downsized. So a natural reaction to the market, more supply into the market. Typically, Jason, as you know, in the springtime, for a lot of families, that's the time they start to list. And that gives them time to find another place to get ready for the fall. And third, I think as people get more comfortable with COVID, vaccinations increase, the risk is lower. And they say, you know what? I don't mind a few people coming through our house in a safe, scheduled showing with protection to have them look at our house. Those three factors brought more inventory in the marketplace. There's more choice there.
So as things do open up though, Tim, do you foresee a bit of a correction in the market?
I will say this, that there are good reasons why you're seeing the increase in demand and no surprise to your viewers. Number one, mortgage rates remain relatively low. Number two, you have the millennials, which is the largest generation in the history of Canada and best educated, are now in the age group where they're getting promoted, they're getting better jobs, they're settling down, having families and kids. They're in the market. Lastly, housing has proven to be a smart and reliable long-term investment. Plus, it's a place where you raise your family. All that is pushing on the demand side. So do I see a major change coming? All those indicators seem to be strong going forward. And home is just a safe venue for your investment. And something so personal, I think demand will remain strong.
Awesome. Tim Hudak, thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure, and all the best with the show.
Well, there you have it. No pop in sight for the real estate bubble, so that means if you're a Halton home hunter, you're still going to be paying premium prices post-pandemic. But if you're a Halton homeowner, this bodes very well for your investment. For Halton News, I'm Jason Agnew.